And today is Earth Day, observed on the 22nd of April each year. This day highlights the importance of protecting the environment.
Well, take a look at this next report and make sure you know which day it is today.
Climate change is real and the time to act is now. Why, you ask? Well, because there is no planet B. Earth Day is a reminder of how gifted the blue planet is. It is also a call to action towards a healthier planet and a brighter future. The day inspires change and raises awareness about the importance of conservation practices. The theme for this year's Earth Day is Planet versus Plastic. Choking our oceans, plastic waste makes up 80% of all marine pollution. Over 10 million metric tons of plastic end up in the oceans each year. EarthDay.org has urged a 60% reduction in plastic production by the year 2040. The plan includes phasing out of single-use plastic by 2030. It also eyes provisions, innovations and materials that can help build a plastic-free world. A huge focus is pegged around fast fashion. Fast fashion brands are producing twice the amount of clothes today than in the year 2000. While that sounds exciting, believe it or not, 92 million tons of textile waste is produced every year. And if the trend continues, fast fashion waste can soar up to 134 million tons a year by the end of the decade. And the horror does not end here. The apparel industry's global emissions are expected to increase by 50% by 2030 if the world continues to turn away from addressing the problem in hand. Earth Day also prompts us to see ourselves as one with the environment. The origin of the day can be traced back to 1970. The idea followed a massive oil spill in Santa Barbara and California in 1969. When disturbed by the environmental impact of the disaster, Gaylord Nelson, a US senator, and Dennis Hayes, a Harvard student, decided it was high time to start a conversation. Together, they aspired to spark the idea of conservation amongst a larger public. The initiative echoed a roar when over 20 million people across the US took part in protests against environmental pollution. Cut to the year 1990, Earth Day broke through national boundaries and got recognized as a global event.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.